Alright guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're up here at the Enclaves in Havasu Foothills Estates checking out this big ol' house that's under construction. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're up here at 3009 Camino de la Enclaves in the Enclaves in Havasu Foothills Estates. This is under construction for $4.3 million. This sits on over an acre. It's like boomtown up here. All high-end upscale homes and one of the newer developments in Havasu Foothills Estates. So this is going to be a massive estate tile house, almost 4,600 square feet. Looks like they're putting the septic in right there. All high-end finishes, of course. So this house has dual RV garages, 25 car total garage space, even has side RV boat parking, plus your regular 3-car garage setup. Huge, tall door. It's got to be 10 feet. So there's not much to see because it's under construction. Alright guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath pool home, 4,592 square feet on 1.09 acres in the Enclaves, listed for 4.3. Estimated completion date is the end of May. Wow. Huge open living area. Wood beam ceilings. Massive space in here. Giant kitchen. Looks like it has 2 waterfall edge quartz islands. Looks like it's going to have a killer chef's kitchen setup, quartz backsplash. So they did a real nice stacked stone job for the backsplash part of the kitchen, and then it has a little butler's suite, or not butler's suite, but butler's pantry. The sink, real nice quartz tops. It's got a killer wet bar setup, quartz tops, beautiful views. There's actually a lake view from right here. Let me see if I can zoom in. This is the view from your bar. So you have a big 3-panel collapsible slider in the living area. And there's also a foldable window at your bar with bar tops on the outside. Super killer. All right, there's a lot to see, so I'm just gonna start rolling. So off the bar kitchen, there is a bathroom for the pool, and then one of the masters. These are all master suites, so all 4 bedrooms are masters. So you got a master bath. Can't really see much, but it's tall, walk-in closet. Big tile to ceiling walk-in shower. Alright, this is a split floor plan, of course, so this is the main master, which is gigantic. It has its own fireplace. Slide her out to the backyard. has a mega master bath. God. Is that the shower?
Yep.
Jesus Christ. Steam shower. So it's a steam shower. It's got tile on the ceiling.
Yep.
Nice. Huge in here. So the walk-in closet's bigger than my office. So we're back at the front of the house, and this is like a study, we think. It's got sliders all around, so it could be totally open. So they're all panel sliders, 8 foot tall. Crazy setup in here. So the hallway keeps going into the garages, and then there's a bathroom that they're working on. So back off the kitchen and entry, you have the rest of the bedrooms.
Here's the thing that I do have.
Little Jack and Jill kitchen area. So down the other side of the house, you have another bedroom, another master suite. You have your junior master suite. Bed and shower action. You keep going down the hall and you have another bedroom with a stackable slider up to the front yard. And then this master bath. There's nothing really to see, but get the idea. Real nice tiled walk-in shower with tile to the ceiling, probably 9 feet, 8 feet. All right, so we're gonna shoot the 3-car garage. You have an indoor laundry. Real nice tile floors in here. So coming into the 3-car garage, you have a little storage area that houses the air handlers, water heater, and then there's a little bit of storage as well. We've also done like a secondary mud room that's going to have another laundry, fridge, a little split door. So this property probably has the most garages that I've seen. You have this 3-car side that's 30 feet deep, 61 feet wide with insulated 8-foot doors and AC. It's all wired and plumbed for fridges and ice makers, fridges, etc. All right, so you have the mega quad RV garages, so doubles. So you have one that's 88 feet deep. Both have 14-foot doors. One's 33 feet wide, and the other one's 31 feet wide. Huge. So this one's 88 feet deep, and the other one has a drive-through bay, and it's 102 feet deep. I mean, it's got the LEDs, AC, 14-foot rear, double wide drive-through bay, hookups, 50 amp. I mean, this is bigger than my whole house. So technically it's considered a 25-car garage. So let's go check out where the pool is and this mega patio. So you have a couple more air handlers going in here for the garage, and in your panel, home runs for all your cable and automation. So you have this massive covered patio set up. I mean, the video probably doesn't do it justice. So here's the bar off the kitchen with the collapsible windows. So you have this cool outside fireplace. You got a little outdoor kitchen area. It's gonna have a sink, storage, barbecue. Also has your vent. So this is the large format tile that they're gonna use on the decking out here under the patio. And then you have a huge backyard setup where the pool's gonna go. Huge back here. Again, this one's on over an acre. Here's your pool view again. So here's your side access to this giant yard back here with your drive-through rear bay. And then they've already backfilled this part right here. And if their plans are to backfill this section over here when they put the pool in, which is going to go over by the patio, then this could be backfilled as well to bring it up to the same level. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that mega tour up at the Enclaves. Again, this one, it was listed for 4.3. Estimated completion date is the end of May. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, progress, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.